Did you know the busiest sites on the internet ship new code in the middle of the day, right through peak traffic, and you never notice a thing? No down for maintenance page, no late night deploy window. So how do they replace a live app while thousands of people are using it without a single error? It's called a blue-green deployment, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to build it on AWS. We'll walk through each piece, and there's a free hands-on lab to try it yourself. Here's how it works. Start with a network. Everything lives inside one Amazon VPC, our own private slice of AWS, with an internet gateway as the door to the outside world. But we don't put it all in one place. Why? Because data centers fail. A power cut in one building shouldn't take the whole app down. So we span the VPC across two availability zones, two separate data centers miles apart, and drop a public subnet in each. Lose a zone, the app keeps serving. Inside, we run the app on an Amazon EC2 instance, version 1. Call it the Blue server. It's what your users hit today. But you can't safely swap the code on a server while people are using it. So we stand up a second identical EC2, the Green server, running version 2. Two versions side by side. Blue is live, Green is waiting. A server open to the whole internet gets attacked. So we wrap both in one security group, a firewall with a single rule. Allow web traffic on port 80, block the rest. One rule, both servers covered. Now, how does traffic find the right server? Not by pointing at machines. Servers come and go. So we put each one in its own target group, TG Blue and TG Green, two labeled lanes. The router talks to a lane, never a machine. That router is an application load balancer, one public front door, spread across both subnets so it never has a single point of failure. It health checks every server and drops any that stop responding. Its listener rule is dead simple to start, 100% to TG Blue. Everyone's on version 1. Green sits there, tested, dark. Here's the payoff. Flip everyone to Green at once, and one hidden bug takes the whole site down. So we don't flip, we turn a dial. Shift the listener weights. 80% blue, 20 green. 1 in 5 users is on version 2, and we watch. Something's wrong? Back to 100 blue, nobody noticed. All clear? 0 blue, 100 green. The new version is live, and no one ever saw a maintenance page. That's the whole setup. A VPC across 2 zones for resilience, 2 EC2 servers for blue and green, a security group to lock them down, target groups to sort them, and a load balancer to move traffic on a dial. Every piece earns its place. Together, zero downtime deploys. Now, knowing how it works is one thing. Wiring it up yourself is where it clicks. So let's get your hands on it. You'll get 2 kinds of free hands-on labs. First, a lab for each core piece, the VPC, the EC2 servers, and the load balancer, so you can practice the building blocks on their own. Then a capstone, where you wire the whole blue-green setup together from scratch. In the capstone, you'll start with the network, a VPC and public subnets across 2 zones. You'll launch 2 EC2 servers, blue on version 1 and green on version 2, behind one security group. You'll create TG Blue and TG Green and register each server. You'll stand up the load balancer, point it at blue, then run the canary shift yourself, 80-20, then full cutover to green, and watch the traffic move with 0 downtime. By the end, you'll have shipped a new version of a live app without dropping a single request. If this clicked, hit subscribe. We're rolling out full, hands-on AWS deep dives just like this one. Drop a comment if there's a service or pattern you want us to break down next. See you in the next one.